This is the SEMA Show. It happens in Vegas, and right now we're at the SEMA Central Stage. My name is Kevin Ostie, and here in 2018, we're taking some time to chat with a lot of different people in various areas of our automotive enthusiast industry and learn about how their involvement with SEMA has helped them out along the way. Joining me now is Amy Fitzgerald. Welcome to the stage.
Thank you.
So tell me, what do you do for a living?
I am a custom builder. My husband and I have a shop in Middleton, Wisconsin, and we build, now the coined phrase is resto mods, I guess. Is the
Sure. So you take older cars, put modern technology in them, and make them look cool and rock and roll.
Yes. Yep. I'm actually going to be racing the car that I built this year on the track this weekend. I'm really excited. I was one of the winners of the coveted Optima Challenge Golden Ticket. So
Nice. Very cool. Good for you.
yes.
It's fun to see the cars get used.
Yes, it is. I think that's the biggest thing is we build drivers. We don't build show queens. When we build a car, it's meant to go on the road, beat the heck out of it, have some fun with it.
Sure. So what'd you build?
It's a 1940 Dodge pickup truck.
Nice. Excellent.
Yes, very fun.
So having the shop to build these cars, tell me about your involvement with the SEMA organization.
I am involved with SEMA in multiple areas. Mostly I sit on the ARMO Council. I'm a select committee member. That has been an incredible experience with SEMA. I'm in my second term of it, and this year I expanded a little more. I started participating on a subcommittee with ETTN, and I also participated in the scholarship committee, which was very, very rewarding.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah, it's amazing to see what the kids that are up and coming, where they think the industry is going to be in 5 or 10 years. It's extremely enlightening, actually.
Yeah. Well, SEMA is famous for the alphabet soup of acronyms. Let's talk about ARMO. What does that stand for?
ARMO is the aftermarket. ARMO is the Aftermarket Restoration Market Association.
Yep.
Wow.
Organization. Oh.
Organization. Wow. It is Friday, isn't
I know,
it?
yeah. But you got it.
Yes, and it's a different spot for a builder to sit on, but these are the people that I work with on a regular basis with getting their products, talking to them about their products. It is an incredible group of just everybody with every make or model. One of the good things that I heard somebody say the other day was that you are sitting at a table side by side with your competitor, and we're all still one family. We're all still out for the same purpose. There's no sitting down in the council. There's not the competition fact there. It's just how can we all work and make this better together.
Sure. And what are some of the topics that ARMO's concerned with right now?
Our big things are youth engagement. Like a lot of the other councils, we have a counselor outreach program that we've been working on that's kind of new and up and coming, and it's really to see what we need to do to get the tools into the next generation's hands and what tools they do need and how they want to be involved, and just to make sure that we are really working to keep the industry alive.
Mm-hmm. And do you have success stories from this? You're seeing that you guys are making an impact?
I do. I think that we have a lot of successes with some of the programs that we've created. We're really seeing a lot more attendance at the car shows. We also have a Take a Kid to the Car Show. It's a big deal to just make sure that even the really little ones are coming out and coming to see it. And we've had people say, well, if you don't have kids, take your neighbor's kid. Just ask them first. To steal
ask
from
them first.
Yep.
Yeah, good.
I steal that from Tim Strange, but
yeah,
it's I think it's very much a success just in general. And our big thing really is this up and coming counselor outreach.
Right on. Well, I love the fact that you're a builder and a doer, but also make some time to volunteer to help others that have different challenges.
It's been instrumental really in the growth of our business. It's changed the direction of where we've gone with my involvement with SEMA. When we first started coming to SEMA, we actually weren't SEMA members for the first 6 years of our company's life. And I had Gary Vigil from SEMA membership called me, and I told him, I didn't know if it was for us. We had this perception that it was too big for a small shop, that it was not where we belonged. And he actually called me and set me straight and made it really clear to me that you are wrong. And that night I went on and I joined SEMA and we became members, and from then it just joining council and being more involved, and the networking of it, the friendships and the family that I've built from it is irreplaceable.
That's great, and that is a voice we haven't heard yet about how a small company doesn't just get swept under the rug, that you can have a voice. So
yes,
that's very cool.
It's a huge impact, you know, we're a two-man shop, it's just the two of us. So yeah, and everybody's voice really matters. Nobody cares that I'm a two-man shop and I'm sitting next to people with 1,000 employees or whatever. My voice is equally as important.
Yeah, right on. And you bring a different experience level too as a builder than a manufacturer. Or
yeah, I agree.
Excellent. Well, Amy, I appreciate the time. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you so much.
Another new perspective on why it's important to get involved with some of the councils here at SEMA. I'm Kevin Ostie at the 2018 SEMA Show in Las Vegas.